Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert hierarchical charts on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a hierarchical chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer, just going to show. So first of all, you just select the data that users need to create a chart. Now click on the insert option on the top. Now you can't find the chart option here. We just go inside the other chart. And now you will see an option called hierarchical here. And here you will see to chart a tree map and also a subset. It's just going to show how to make, this is how you just make a tree map. Or if you want to have a subset, click on this chart and just create it. You can just change it. So I just copy this data so I can insert two different things here. Automatically adjust to adjusting, and you can just click on the format option to change the color on the sidewise. You can see in the format option you can just change the full color. You just need it like a blue color. Everything has been changed. If you want to change for a particular one, you just need to double tap here or ungroup this. So this is how you just customize and insert the hierarchical chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super viral content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.